She stole my parking spot for 8 months straight, so I turned her house into a local landmark. There's a special place in hell for people who steal your parking spot when it's clearly marked with your name. But mine wasn't just marked. It had my name painted on it in yellow block letters. And yet, every day for 8 months, my neighbor Pam parked her oversized Range Rover on it like it was her personal driveway. At first, I was polite. I left sticky notes that said things like, "Reserved, please don't park here." And, "Hi, Pam, this spot is mine. Just a heads up." You know, classic suburban, non-confrontational energy. But Pam, she took those notes, balled them up, and taped them to my door. She said, "I have a bad knee. You're young, and your car is small. You don't need this spot. I pay for that spot monthly. It's part of my lease." But apparently Pam, who looks like she marinates in rosé and HOA power trips, decided her knee pain granted her squatter's rights. I complained to the HOA. She cried about medical discrimination, and somehow I got a warning letter. Then came the final straw. I ordered a tow truck to finally remove her car. She came outside in a bathrobe and filmed the whole thing, screaming, "Look at this little man getting revenge because he can't get a date." She posted the video online. My face, my address, my car. Her video got 18,000 views and a sympathy brigade of wine moms calling me a male Karen. You want to humiliate me publicly? Bet. I stopped trying to be decent after that. I started collecting data. Pam's patterns were predictable, like a reality TV show villain. She left the house at 9:17 a.m. every weekday for Pilates, came back at 10:40, and parked directly in my spot every time. Now here's the thing. She's in violation of at least 3 HOA codes, not including the spot. Her landscaping, against code. She uses fake grass. Her trash bins, left out 3 hours past pickup every week. Her shutters, a shade of purple not approved by the HOA color wheel. So I became Pam's personal HOA stalker. I anonymously submitted 17 violations against her. Got her a $150 fine for the grass, another $200 for the bins. Then I caught her dog pooping in a common area and filmed it. $250 fine. She had no idea it was me, but she did know someone was out to get her. She put up a Ring camera, added a smile, "You're on camera" sign, and even started checking her mail with a flashlight like she was defusing bombs. But I wasn't done. She had one final weak spot. Her precious Good Neighbor award, given by the HOA last year. She talked about it constantly, even had it framed near the entrance of her house. So I created a second anonymous identity, this time as a fake elderly neighbor. I emailed the HOA president pretending to be Margaret from Unit 1B. Margaret claimed Pam had been harassing her at night with loud music and threatening notes. I even included screenshots of fake texts using a spoofed number that said, "Stay quiet or I'll let my dog loose." That was enough to get her flagged for behavioral review. She lost the award. Her name was removed from the community newsletter. She posted an angry Facebook rant blaming me, but had no proof. Then came my masterpiece. I paid a local street artist, not a kid with a spray can, a real muralist, to paint a gigantic 8-foot-tall parking instruction guide right behind my space. Big, bold art. "This spot belongs to Alex. Do not park here. You're not special." With Pam's car painted in it, like a cartoon version of her Range Rover, with a little wine glass hanging out the window. People started taking selfies with it. Tourists, kids, even the mailman. Pam couldn't park there anymore without looking like the punchline of a neighborhood joke. She tried once. Someone posted a photo of her Range Rover blocking the mural on Nextdoor titled, "Karen returns to the scene of the crime." It went viral in our zip code.